So hello there guys, it's me Omkar. Today I am going to make this mask from Chainsaw Man. For making this mask we need some cardboards and some papers. You can use cereal box also if you want. So take that paper and cut some strips. After that, take two strips and stick together like that. And use the strips to frame around your head. And make this kind of shape. And stick some horizontal and vertical strips all over your mask. As you can see, after that we are going to make jaw of this mask. I take a piece of a cardboard and join this on a triangular piece of a cardboard, as you can see. And now we have head and the jaw. And it seems like something is missing. Oh, the teeth. For making that, I make some mini paper cones and stick it on my mask. Just like that. And next step is make a paper mache. Take some newspaper and stick all over your mask. I add another layer. The more layer you add, the stronger your mask will become. As you can see, the only thing is missing is painting. I know you guys are saying that I didn't even add a chainsaw, blah blah blah. The truth is I tried to add a chainsaw but it just failed. But my mask is looking better without chainsaw anyway. But you guys add chainsaw before adding the paper mache. I'm sorry, this is kinda late. So it's time to painting. After the painting, the mask look like that. And after adding some details, your mask is ready, I guess. I mean, your Chainsaw Man's mask without chainsaw is ready. So thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, please leave a like. If you dislike the video, hit the fucking dislike button. Please don't do that. So bye bye, see you and sayonara.